Hello guys, today we are going to be going over making predictions and decisions using charts and graphs. So over here we have a graph that describes the non-farm payroll jobs in Austin MSA. MSA I think just stands for metropolitan area. We can tell this from our title, which is non-farm payroll jobs, then our subtitle is this, Austin MSA, which gives us a bit more information, right? Where we are getting this data. And now using this title and this subtitle, we can conclude that our y-axis must represent the number of jobs, and our x-axis represents time series data. You will commonly see this on most line graphs, time series data, which is a sequence of observations of the same thing, and the thing that we're referring to in this case is our number of non-farm payroll jobs. Payroll jobs organized over time. That's what our x-axis represents, the time. And the time is done in yearly increments. So let me write that here. Yearly increments. And there's another thing which I want to bring up. I'm not sure if these terms confuse you, but it says not seasonally adjusted and seasonally adjusted. So seasonal adjustment is a statistical technique that attempts to measure and remove the influences of predictable seasonal patterns to reveal how employment and, well, in this case, how employment and unemployment change from month to month. So in this case, we can see a rise, we can see a kind of cyclical rise in employment towards the end of the year, then back down, towards the end of the year, then back down. Well, no, that was the middle, my bad. But yes, even in the middle of the year, we're seeing that increase, then at the end. And my assumption for this at least would be is because towards the end of the year, we near Christmas time when there's a lot of shopping to be done. So there may be some more job growth in retail and things like that for people. But again, I'm not sure if that's completely accurate. That is just my prediction on that. Yeah, so that's what a seasonal adjustment is. It helps to remove these fluctuations from seasons to see whether there has actually been an increase in that time period even without that season. So we have a question here. Using this chart, what predictions can be made about future non-farm payroll growth? This is our question, by the way, just in case didn't make that clear. Question. Using this chart, what predictions can be made about future non-farm payroll job growth in Austin MSA? So we can see that there is what we would call a strong positive correlation. There is a strong positive correlation between X and Y. Between X and Y. Between X and Y. Our X variable and our Y variable. Because as our X variable increases, at least the general trend is as our X variable goes further, increases, so does our Y variable. So this is a very good thing that, it's good in this case that we have a strong positive correlation. Because now using this, we can see that as X increases, so does Y increase. We're making a correlation between our two variables. We can use this to make a future prediction about the non-farm job growth. And that prediction is that it will increase. Payroll job growth will increase. And we can make this observation because payroll job growth will increase. And what I was saying was this observation can be made because as time goes forward, as we move forward in time, we also increase the number of jobs, and we see this trend happening consistently. So a fair assumption would be that as time passes, so the future growth, we will have more and more jobs in Austin, Texas. Anyways, I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.